The reason why I say you must wake up every morning and water your wheat plains because if I didn't do that, my wheat plains would never look like this. And I'm gonna show you guys now how they look because of watering them, looking after them, making my own fertilizer for them, buying other stuff from shops in town to just to mix with their soil. Now, if you're using ground is the best, you guys. But just know to fertilize them every day. Not even every day, give them Friday, Saturday, Sunday, again Saturday, Sunday, give them water through it. And here's my results. Yeah, this is the reason why I tell you guys to your plants. And plants will come out like this, and they will start to harvest. Maybe after 4 6 months, if you look, then fertilizer, making your own fertilizer wood, paper, anything you get to my fertilizer wood. This is how your plants gonna look after it, and this is my results. Waking up every day, plants, giving you fertilizer. For another video, guys, please subscribe. Maybe follow my channel, like or comment how my video today coming on, doing good. Really appreciate it. Bye, guys.